So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first, I thought it was just another one of her quirky habits. But then she explained how it was helping her wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized every morning. She swore by the bedtime gelatin trick, mixing a spoonful of gelatin with water before bed, and I was intrigued. As I started trying it out for myself, I noticed that I was sleeping more soundly, and my digestion was improving overnight. It was like my body was doing a little reset while I slept. The gelatin trick was working its magic, helping my body to repair and rejuvenate itself while I rested. I started to look forward to my bedtime gelatin trick ritual. It was a simple yet powerful way to take care of myself. Now, I want to share this with you. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for overnight results, check out the link in my description for a detailed rundown of how to get started. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and tricks for making the most of the gelatin trick.